Is buying a laptop stand like this worth buying? We will take a look at what features it offers and maybe some things to consider before buying. Let's check it out. Opening up the packaging, you will see the laptop stand made of aluminum with rubber pads that will prevent your laptop from slipping, holding it in one place. The aluminum laptop stand is so thin and compact that you can put it in your bag whenever you travel and take it out of your bag whenever you need it. There are 7 different adjustments that you can use to change the laptop angle you are comfortable using it. In my case, I will change it to the 6th or 7th adjustments whenever I'm not using any external keyboard and just wanted to use the laptop keyboard but still lifts the laptop. I use the first adjustment whenever I'm using the laptop with an external keyboard. One of the benefits of using laptop stands like this one is it lifts the laptop way enough to allow more airflow to cool your laptop compared to when your laptop is placed flat on a table or something. Results may still vary on what laptop you own and whether your laptop has a lifting mechanism like some laptops. There is a plastic version of this type of laptop stand which I don't recommend at all, and here's why. If you own a laptop that is quite heavy, using a plastic stand will make it wobble. It wouldn't be a problem if you're using smaller and lighter laptops, but there will be a problem with longevity with a plastic laptop stand when compared to a metal one. The metal stand will barely wobble or not at all, even if you're using a heavier laptop since all the support the stand uses are metal. My suggestion is, don't even think about buying a plastic stand with this type of structure. The metal stand will barely wobble and for sure will last for a long time. The plastic stand won't help if your laptop goes quite hot while you're using it, which is not a good idea. Your best and should be the only option is to buy the metal stand. It'll be a little bit more expensive than the plastic counterpart, but for sure it will last for a long time. And that is our tech review for today. Did you like the video? Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I upload new videos. Until next time.